Hello everyone, this is Rela from Landpack. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the heating elements of the vertical packaging machine, including the heating tubes, heating plates, and the thermocouples. Let's look at the heating plates in the horizontal seal. First, we can loosen the screw on it. And take out the pressure plate. And then we can see this heating plate connected to the terminal boss. And then we need to loosen the terminal boss screws. And it's the same way on this side. Then open the terminal box. We can see there is a PVC cover. Take out the cover and we can see there are two wires from the heating plate connected to the terminals. And then we just need to connect the new wires to the original position back, and putting the new heating plate back, that is okay. And then we can see this is a thermocouple. The thermocouple is connected to the terminal box too, and we need to open the terminal box. And we can see the thermocouples connected to the two wires. The first is the red wire, and the second is the blue wires. Then we just need to loosen these two screws and the screws under the horizontal seal. And connect the new wires back in the same order as the original position. For example, the red one on the top and the blue wires at the bottom. Then the last one is the heating tube in here, which is also connected with two wires. And we just need to loosen these two screws and the screws behind the vertical seal. And connect the new tubes and wires back accordingly. That is okay. Okay, see you next time. Bye.